Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Expobar espresso machine. It comes to us with the leaking heavily from the bottom, so when I tested I found out these two elbows was leaks and with the hose, so I just replaced both of them with the new ones, and the machine needs a tune-up, so I did a tune-up. I give it deep cleaning for the group head and clean all the moving parts and lubricate them here. Then I start descale the machine, and while I was descaling it, I noticed the water pump. This one is from 2017. I feel it's struggling. Then the water pump just stops working. So I just did replace it, and after that I get these hoses, two hoses. After I put it, I noticed another leak. So it was one of these hoses actually. It comes from the air valve and was leaking. So I noticed both of these hoses needs to be replaced. So I just took it off again and replaced it. And I gave the steam one deep cleaning, the water spout, after descale the machine 2 times. So yeah, I got to descale it again after I replaced all of these parts. So let's go ahead and test it and make espresso shot. This machine comes without a porta filter. I just borrowed it from another one. So I'm not going to. So yeah, it gets a new nice silicone gasket with the new shower screen. These are the old ones. Gives a really nice shot. Look at that shot. It is beautiful and thick crema. 3 layers of coffee. So let's test the steamer. Perfect. And the hot water. This works great too. So the machine now functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.